Hello and welcome all of you to an exciting session on life, education, careers and MBA powered by MBA My name is Dr. Kamal Kishore Sharma, Fellow of IIM Ahmedabad and currently Director General at Taxila Business School. Next question please.
Mayur here.
Yes, Mayur.
See, I am a science background student.
With a lot of, not only science background, but a lot of background books as well.
No. So I am working actually in intellectual property rights within Pharma company since last 10 years.
Okay.
So I recently completed my LLB as well.
Okay.
And my job is to support my business development department actively to what market can be drug this launch and all those things. So I wanted to pursue MBA now. So my confusion is obviously I don't want to leave my job. I will do part-time or online MBA. But my confusion is how to select specialization for MBA because many people are suggesting marketing is good, many are finance is good, many are suggesting business analytics is good. So I read a lot, but still I am in dilemma which specialization I want.
Okay, no, I understand. Mayur, right? So Mayur, there are two things, one is the very idea that you want to do an MBA. Once again, it's very worthy of a decision. Two, no, within that same point, you're wanting to do a distance MBA or MBA by correspondence or a part-time MBA.
Yeah.
Well, I have my doubts there also, but since that is not part of your question, I'll just sum that part of my argument saying that when there is a comparison between a person of similar background as you have and that person also has the similar background, and if that person has a full-time MBA, he will be more preferable to the recruiters than a part-time MBA. So part-time MBA is part-time. It is always going to be a second grade stepbrother of a full-time MBA. That's one part of it. Now coming to the question of what specialization, well, it has to connect. See, specialization for a fresher is a different question, and specialization for a professional who has worked for about now, I guess 9 years. How many years have you worked?
10 years.
10 years you have worked. So that has to connect. You don't want to lose the benefit of those 10 years when you get into the next work. So I think, in these 10 years, if you have identified, you have worked all along in pharma industry, well, pharma is a huge industry. It needs a lot of managerial talent to manage the market side of it, not just the drug discovery and production. Marketing and supply chain is a huge challenge in the pharma industry. So to me, two specializations come very clearly since you have been part of the drug discovery process and more connected with operations. One specialization that comes to my mind which will be good for you will be operations and supply chain, and two is business analytics. If you can combine both of them, nothing like that. That would be a great combination.
Thank you.
You're welcome.